Today, we're taking a closer look at the SteelNomad, a vehicle that's been stirring up conversations in the auto world. Whether you're an adventurer, a city commuter, or just someone who appreciates bold automotive design, the SteelNomad offers a compelling blend of rugged versatility and modern luxury. But is it worth the hype, and more importantly, your money? Let's dive in. The SteelNomad isn't just a name, it's a philosophy on wheels. Designed for drivers who crave exploration without compromising on comfort, this vehicle merges the DNA of an off-road SUV with the refinement of an executive cruiser. It's positioned as a premium midsize SUV with strong all-terrain capabilities, making it a unique hybrid of utility and sophistication. Visually, the SteelNomad commands attention from every angle. The exterior design is both aggressive and elegant. Up front, you're greeted by a bold, sculpted grille with matte black accents and integrated LED headlights that give it a distinctive glare. The sharp body lines run fluidly across its profile, emphasizing its muscular stance. Optional 20-inch alloy wheels and a high ground clearance not only enhance its road presence but also signal its readiness for rougher terrain. And around the back, you'll find a clean tailgate design with wraparound LED taillights and a subtle roof spoiler that adds just the right touch of sportiness. Performance-wise, the SteelNomad doesn't hold back. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine that pushes out 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It accelerates smoothly on the highway and delivers enough low-end grunt to tackle dirt roads, steep inclines, and everything in between. The adaptive all-wheel drive system ensures solid grip even on slippery surfaces, while its off-road driving modes, like mud, snow, and rock, make it a truly capable vehicle beyond the pavement. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and potholes effectively, offering a surprisingly smooth ride whether you're in the city or the wilderness. Inside, the SteelNomad is all about comfort, technology, and smart layout. The cabin features soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and brushed aluminum trims that elevate the overall feel. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed with 10-way power adjustments and lumbar support, while the second-row seats offer plenty of legroom for adult passengers. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital instrument cluster delivers crisp, customizable readouts. Storage space is generous too, with fold-flat rear seats offering up to 70 cubic feet of cargo room, perfect for road trips or outdoor gear. When it comes to pricing, the SteelNomad offers a solid value proposition. The base model starts around $38,000, which includes essential features like the all-wheel drive system, touchscreen infotainment, and advanced safety suite. The mid-tier trim, priced at about $44,000, adds luxury touches like a panoramic sunroof, premium audio system, and heated seats. For those who want it all, the top-tier version sits just under $50,000, offering ventilated seats, off-road packages, and driver assistance tech like adaptive cruise and lane centering. So,